In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add coins to your portfolio using CoinMarketCap's portfolio tracker. Whether you're new to the world of cryptocurrency or already a seasoned investor, keeping track of your assets is crucial. First, let's open up your web browser and head over to CoinMarketCap. This site is an invaluable resource for those of us in the crypto world, providing up-to-date information and analytics. Once you're on the homepage, locate the menu bar at the top. You're looking for the portfolio option, which is essential for our next step. After clicking portfolio, the site will prompt you with a few options. One key step here is connecting your wallet. This is crucial because without a connected wallet, we wouldn't be able to keep a real-time track of your cryptocurrency holdings. Rest assured, your information is secure, as CoinMarketCap simply requires read-only access to view your wallet contents. Next, you'll need to enter your wallet address. This is basically your unique identifier in the cryptocurrency realm, sort of like your email address, but for digital currency transactions. Make sure you input this correctly to avoid any hiccups in syncing your portfolio. Accuracy here cannot be stressed enough, as the address is case sensitive and any error could potentially result in missing information or inaccuracies in your updates. Now it's time to give your portfolio a name. It's always a good practice to assign each portfolio a distinct name. This could be as simple as My First Crypto Portfolio, or anything else that you prefer. Naming your portfolio helps in personalizing your experience and aids in managing multiple portfolios should you decide to create more in the future. Once you've named your portfolio, you'll see a button labeled Create Connection. Clicking this will finalize the process, effectively linking your wallet and establishing your portfolio on CoinMarketCap's platform. After the connection is established, you'll be able to see your listed assets, monitor their real-time market value, and manage your investments with ease. And there you have it. You've successfully added coins to your portfolio. This tracker is an excellent tool for monitoring the ever-changing values of your coins and understanding the trends in the crypto markets. As you get more comfortable, you might explore more features or even consider setting up additional portfolios for different types of investments. So, dive into the world of digital assets and keep track of your financial growth with ease.